Chickens outside. Okay, good job. Good job, Marie. Okay. You gotta trap his wings so he doesn't flap, right? Walk bang into the light with the chicken.
Throw him outside. See, out you go.
Good job, chicken herder.
Get along, little chicken.
Duck around the light. Good job, Marie. Get another one?
Get it out the way.
Okay, get another one.
Get it out the way. Get it out the way. Get out.
Everyone she's put out has come back in.
Mom.